In a significant visit today, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma toured the Lady Kerr Welfare Centre in Laban, Shillong, accompanied by South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai and members of the Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya State Branch, along with the centre's dedicated staff. Established in 1920, the Lady Kerr Welfare Centre, which also houses the IRCS or the Indian Red Cross Society and the Red Cross Maternity Home, is currently facing serious infrastructural challenges. The RRCS has reached out to the state government seeking assistance for renovation and development of the centre. They highlighted the essential healthcare services the society provides, particularly focusing on child and maternity care for underprivileged and marginalized communities, as well as support during emergencies and crises. During his visit, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma recognized the crucial role of the Indian Red Cross Society in community health. He emphasized the importance of collaboration between government entities and community health organizations, stating that aligning shared goals and resources can significantly enhance public health initiatives. Conrad Sangma assured the IRCS of the government's support for the renovation and expressed a commitment to exploring collaborative opportunities that would benefit community health overall.
This is where when it rains, the staff always
Always every year is flooded because from the road to the water that we have, and we cannot, keep storm so to get all the way,
temporarily you could have that, happen for long.
And just make an umbrella for the time being. Under base.
every year you have flood over
Either
here.
one has to use it all.
From the main road, sir, from the main road, the water comes straight.